My cabinet colleague,
नमस्ते।
Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri B.S. Yedurappa ji, and all my dear friends from the tech world. It is also fitting that technology is helping organize this important summit on technology. Friends, we launched Digital India Mission 5 years back. Today, I'm glad to say that Digital India is no longer being seen as any regular government initiative. Digital India has become a way of life, particularly for the poor, marginalized, and for those in government. Thanks to Digital India, our nation has witnessed a more human-centric approach to development. Using technology on such a large scale has brought about several life changes for our citizens. The benefits are for everyone to see. Our government has successfully created a market for digital and tech solutions, but it has made technology a key part of all schemes. Our governance model is technology first. Through technology, we have enhanced human dignity. Millions of farmers receive monetary support in one click. At the peak of the COVID-19 lockdown, it was technology that ensured that India's poor received proper and quick assistance. The scale of this relief has few parallels. If India is successfully operating the world's largest healthcare scheme, Ayushman Bharat, it is due to a big role of technology. This scheme has specially helped the poor of India. Now, they no longer have to worry about access to top quality and affordable health care in any part of India. Our government has used the power of data analytics to ensure better service delivery and efficiency. Internet came to India around 25 years ago. As per a report, the number of internet connections recently crossed the 750 million milestone. But do you know that over half of these numbers joined in the last 4 years only? Technology is the prime reason our schemes have gone beyond files and changed lives of the people at such a speed and scale. Today, when we are able to help the poor build their home at an unprecedented scale, speed, and transparency. It is thanks to technology. Today, when we are able to provide electricity to almost all households, technology has played a key role. Today, when we are able to cross toll booths faster, it is due to technology. Today, it is also technology which gives us the confidence that we will be able to vaccinate our large population in a short period of time. Friends, when it comes to technology, the way ahead lies in learning and growing together. Inspired by that approach, a number of incubation centers are opening in India. Over the last few years, a great culture of hackathons has developed in India. I've attended some of them too. Our young minds come together and think of ways to solve key challenges our country and planet faces. Similar hackathons have been held in collaboration with Singapore and ASEAN nations. The government of India is providing support to our vibrant startup community, whose skill and success are now world famous. Friends, we have often heard that प्रतिकूल परिस्थितियों में प्रतिभा बाहर लाने का प्रभाव रखती है. Challenges bring out the best in people. Perhaps it is relevant for many of India's techies. When there is a demanding customer or there are pressing deadlines, you would have seen that some talents which even you did not know, it starts coming out. Global lockdowns, travel restrictions have constrained people inside their homes, away from their place of work. At such a time, the resilience of our tech sector was seen. Our tech sector came into action and used tech solutions to keep work going on from home and from anywhere. The tech industry recognized a great innovation opportunity in bringing people together. The COVID-19 pandemic was a bend in the path, not the end. ये तो रास्ते का एक बैंड था, एंड नहीं. The amount of tech adoption that would not have happened in that decade happened in just a few months. Work from anywhere has become the norm and is going to stay. We will see a high amount of tech adoption in the fields of education, health, shopping, and more. Since I have the opportunity to directly engage with some of the most brilliant minds in the tech world, I want to confidently say